It's an early morning in early March and I am off in search of a bird that has always eluded me. I think I've seen it once, very briefly. Never got a good look at it, but I've been tipped off by a birder friend of mine that there is one drumming on a tree about half an hour up the road from here. It is the Lesser Spotted Woodpecker. Very difficult bird to find, but I am determined, so wish me luck. Our tip-off yesterday heard the bird drumming on a big ash tree at 7:55 a.m. It's now 7:52 a.m. Key is to listen for a very high-pitched drumming, and I think I just heard something. May have been a great spotted woodpecker. This is the very definition of a needle in a haystack. I just definitely heard a woodpecker up ahead of me. Question is it a great spotted or lesser spotted? Great spotted. Our woodpecker count is 2, but not the right species. Just heard a green woodpecker yaffling, and I've heard great spotted woodpecker drumming, so we're holding out hope for the trifecta. Great tits. There's 2 little birds up there, great tits. Just got tricked. A new one on me. Thought it was a buzzard in the tree above us, just over here. And it was a jay mimicking a buzzard. I was watching it going, meow, meow. Quite cool, never seen that before. A blue tit. Where's this bloody woodpecker? Caroline. You told me we'd see woodpeckers.
I didn't say. Tom said we'd see woodpeckers. I didn't say we'd see woodpeckers. I said we hope we'd see woodpeckers.
Caroline told me we'd see a woodpecker. The struggle is real over here. We're looking for a tiny little bird that inhabits the uppermost treetops, tiny little branches, in dense woodland with a lot of visual clutter. What do you think, Caroline? You heard it here first. Birds are jerks. Another false alarm. A blue tit. Apparently, you do need to check every blue tit, because the next one could just be our bird. That's a blue tit, isn't it? Bloody blue tits. Another blue tit. funny enough. That bird chinking down there. That did sound like a woodpecker actually. Sounded a bit different, didn't it?
This didn't pick up, but it was like...
Let's go down. That sounded different to a great spotted, didn't it?
It was a higher pitch,
The bird is there yesterday.
Right.
We know the tree
Right.
that it was in. Let's just go to that tree and we'll see the bird.
Right.
Doesn't work like that.
No, because the bird's like, yeah. I like this tree today.
Or I'm in a different wood today.
Right. Yeah.
This wood
Less of them
sucks.
here altogether.
Yeah. It's just an elusive little bird. We will see it. Oh, green. It's big cousin. We're still looking up in trees. Caroline just said, oh, I think it was a blue tit. And I think that's the kind of attitude that loses us a lesser spotted woodpecker.
I think Sean should shut up.
Oh, lesser woodpecker. Why have you forsaken us?
Why hast thou forsaken me?
No! We're nearly back at the car park. It's not good enough,
woodpecker.
Caroline.
The woodpecker, it mocks me.
It mocks us both.
Yeah, well, we're not quite to the car park yet. We still gotta go up the other side.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not giving up yet.
I have every faith Caroline will find me at Lesser Spotted Woodpecker. She said she would. Our friendship is on the line. Still no woodpecker. I think it's pretty safe to say I'm not a very patient bird watcher. I kind of want to show up and see the bird, but it doesn't work that way. I'm kind of losing the will to live now. So we just had some lady walking her dog who said, "Ooh, what are you looking for? Are you professionals? Is this your job?" And I said to Caroline, "Yeah, we look like professionals, all right. All the gear and no idea." We said, "We're looking for a lesser spotted woodpecker." She said, "Oh, I did hear a woodpecker." I said, "Yeah, so did we. But it wasn't the right one." The summary is we've heard great spotted and green woodpecker. We think we've heard the drumming of a lesser spotted. It sounded different and possibly the call, but both were quite distant. And it's now nearly 10 a.m. and this is the time of morning where birds are stopping, proclaiming their territory in the morning and are going about their business and feeding and things and get a lot quieter. So we're probably out of time, but you never know. Okay, it's after 10 a.m. and we've bombed. We didn't get a sight of a lesser spotted woodpecker. We know they're here, which is good. We think we heard one a couple of times in the distance. I think we might have to come back again and try again. But right now, I'm getting a bit hangry, so we're heading back to the car. Don't need to see me when I'm hangry. Right, Caroline? Nobody likes me when I'm hangry.
No, don't.